What is sugaring? A natural hair removal method using sugar, lemon, and water. Works similarly to waxing, but is gentler on the skin, removes hair from the root for longer lasting results. History of sugaring originated in ancient Egypt and the Middle East. Used by queens like Cleopatra for smooth skin. Passed down through generations as a natural beauty treatment. How sugaring works. Sugar paste adheres to the hair of the skin, reducing irritation. Hair is removed in the direction of growth, minimizing breakage. Effective for fine to coarse hair and all skin types. Benefits of sugaring vs waxing: less painful since it doesn't pull on the skin. More natural, free of chemicals and synthetic resins. Leads to thinner, sparser regrowth over time. Ingredients in sugaring paste: sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant. Lemon juice acts as a preservative and helps break down hair proteins. Water creates the right consistency for application. How to prepare your skin for sugaring. Exfoliate 24 hours before to remove dead skin. Ensure skin is clean and dry before applying. Avoid moisturizers and oils, as they can prevent the sugar from sticking. How to make DIY sugaring paste. Mix 2 cups sugar, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup water. Heat on medium until golden brown, about 260 F or 1 to 7 C. Let cool slightly before use. Should be pliable, but not too hot. Proper sugaring technique: apply sugar paste against hair growth. Flick it off in the direction of hair growth. Repeat on the same spot only once or twice to avoid irritation. Best areas to sugar: arms and legs. Easy to sugar with minimal discomfort. Bikini area requires practice but gives smooth results. Face and underarms works well for sensitive areas. Common sugaring mistakes: to avoid applying paste to hot can cause burns. Not pulling skin taut, leading to more pain. Using sugar paste too runny or too thick, affecting effectiveness. How to care for skin after sugaring. Apply aloe vera or a soothing lotion to reduce redness. Avoid hot showers, workouts, and tight clothing for 24 hours. Exfoliate 3 days later to prevent ingrown hairs. How often should you sugar? Hair should be at least a 1/4 inch long before sugaring again. Most people sugar every 3-5 weeks for best results. Consistent sugaring leads to finer, sparser hair growth over time. Who should avoid sugaring? Those with sunburned, broken, or irritated skin. People using retinoids, Accutane, or strong exfoliants. If you have severe varicose veins or skin conditions, consult a dermatologist. Is sugaring worth it? More eco-friendly and cost-effective than waxing. Provides longer lasting, smooth results with regular use. A great natural alternative for sensitive skin and minimal irritation. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time, keep exploring your style.